Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and finding today, and today I have a very special video bringing you back the Huawei P Smart 2019 edition. And today I'll be making a gaming test on this device, and I'll be testing two hardcore games and probably one of the most popular games that everyone sort of downloads when they get their first phone or their first tablet or their first smart product basically. So this game is GTA San Andreas and Real Racing 3. So let's start with GTA San Andreas and let's see how it actually plays on the Huawei P Smart. Hopefully it plays good. I'm expecting, I've never actually tried it, so I just downloaded it and I was like, you know what, I'm going to give it like an in-game experience and see how everything is. But I'm hoping everything goes well. You know, this is a pretty, you know, when it comes to specs, it's pretty amazing. And I like how, for example, here they did like a little, you can hide the notch if you're not a fan of the notch, you can hide it. Unlike the iPhone, I'm not dissing the iPhone. You know, I'm a big fan of the iPhone. My primary phone is an iPhone. I use an iPhone and an iPhone X. It's an amazing phone. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what the capacity is like. So I'm just going to put some volume in. Again, guys, quite disappointing. It only has one speaker, so the sound isn't going to be that great. So that's something that could have on the analog. So okay, so let's go to it now, as you guys can see. Slight lag there, as you saw. Let's go a bit and see. Okay. See guys, the graphics on there, you can see the graphics is pretty good. Bear in mind, guys, you're only paying approximately £199.99 for this phone. You're not paying a deal, you know, so much money for this phone. So you can expect it to be pretty, you know, good for the price and stuff. So yeah, I mean, just because it's just a release phone, it's been released a few days or a few weeks ago now. So you need to wait for some patches, maybe that will correct the gaming experience, or even the price might go down to, let's say, 150 or 100, maybe, and that's not anytime soon. The maximum I think will go down is 150, and that's only because of the notch. So that's the only reason why it would. But guys, I just want to show you a bit in close-up detail on how the actual gameplay actually is, because, you know, I want you guys to get a real feel of the graphics in the game. So you can see the logo here is not really that great. The police logo is not really that great, but still it seems to provide a performance that is impressive as well. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, it's playable. Okay, so that's my gameplay of GTA San Andreas. And in conclusion, guys, this is probably the most playable game you could purchase on the phone. So GTA SA was pretty awesome. Let's actually try this game now, which is Real Racing 3. Again, guys, a very popular phone. It's had like over 100 million downloads on the Play Store. So again, very, very good. Okay, guys. Even that intro, guys, look at the intro. The graphics is so clean. Like, look at that intro. I mean, what can you go wrong with that? What can you go wrong with that? The intro is so good. Okay, I'm just going to start now. So, set left, tilt right. Take your device left to steer. Okay. Take your device left to steer. What's it up? Well, I don't know why it's not working, but let's try again. It wasn't working for some reason. Maybe some lag, maybe some accelerometer or gyroscope lag that doesn't allow the game to play. So let's see what happens. Cancel. Okay, swipe to get started. Courier. That. Okay. Stage 1. Okay, race. I just bought a random car from the store. And now let's go ahead and see how the game performs. So I have to complete this race. and these are my competitors. So this is Kent. Wow. So guys, you can see the gyroscope is not actually working, or the accelerometer. So there's some defects here. Yeah, you can see that. Not working at all. So there's unfortunately, right, there's something wrong with the gyroscope of this phone, which is very weird, because when I try to, hold on, yeah, even when auto rotate is on, it doesn't want to rotate. If I go on the messages app, for example, if I go on Google Chrome, accept, yeah, it seems like that's not working. But anyway, guys, you're clearly seeing that the accelerometer sort of lags on this phone, which, you know, isn't a surprise for this price mark. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. At least GTA worked. GTA always works on good phones. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my Boxing Fun for more videos like these. And if you have any reasons to why this might have happened, like why the accelerometer didn't work, leave a comment down below in the description box, and I'll catch you guys all later. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my Boxing Fun. If you want any more videos on this device, please put your comments down below, and I'll see what I can do. Take care, guys, and have a nice day. And subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.